We'll start. Yeah, you can record it. I will copy into one file either. Let me open one file. What we are going to do is we'll take this ADF process. You are able to see my document.
Huh.
Whose credit card or detection L need to know there is a process take the target DB towards a dashboard creation is the defaulters, credit card defaulters with hackers or fraudsters. Okay. So who need to assume is a project with this PC data work with the following activities. One is, I'll put ABC, is track the PC details, is track the frauds done on some of the these credit cards. Okay, you're getting right, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Then you need to identify data transformation tools also on by fraudsters and also the card blockage. They'll block the card, right?
Hmm.
Updates. Blockage updates you need to do under transformation. There are two fields. One is it is a defaulter. You will have the balance. You will have the transaction. Okay.
Hmm.
Along with few transactions Those are combination height and fraud. Okay, both transactions will be there. Okay, then when it is fraud, yes, there will be flag. Okay, uh, fraud with relevant flags. Okay, what flag it is going to be there, all we will get it to ChatGPT. Don't worry. Extract the frauds done on some of the CCs. You need to identify the data transformation rules also on balance sheeting by fraudsters, and also hot blankets updates. Okay, these are the updates in the transformation. Okay, then what you are going to do after that, then load the data of locked pieces to create the dashboard for Power BI. Malamona also Power BI.
Hmm.
Okay, uh, there is a tool actually. Okay, Power BI, right? You need to learn that. You need to see that. Okay, this is the overall project process to use the ADF from end to end. It means what you are going to do, you're creating a data warehouse application within ADF, Azure Data Factory, by taking the legacy data, legacy ETL, and moving into these things. For that, what you need to do now, let us say this is the idea we have. Okay, what
Hmm.
I'm going to write. These activities I'll discuss later. Okay, now not now. Uh, my prompt is for this activity. Prompt is need to create project in Azure Data Factory to a ETL and BA read my and tasks and give the thoughts towards activities. This is my request to ChatGPT, right?
Ah.
So what I'm going to do, I'll copy to you also. You guys can but don't worry about what it is giving. For currently, don't worry. Okay, let us think in the startup. It is not a solution actually. We are asking to give some different thoughts also adding. Okay, you copy into your this one. Okay, now let me share my Copilot screen. Your project plan for setting up an ETL process in Azure Data Factory for credit card fraud detection is solid. Here are some additional thoughts to enhance your setup. Data extraction, activities A and B. Okay. Ensure you have clear data source connections configured in ADF for both transactional data and flagged fraud data. Set up incremental data extraction to pull only the latest since the last extraction, reducing load times and resource usage. Utilize ADF built-in connectors for various data sources to streamline the extraction process. You know about first demo you have done it, ADF manual setup. There you have taken only CSV file, but I suggested you to create the MySQL data backup files also, two different data sets, and you will have three data sets. Those are the sources you need to create the demos. Okay, the same way you need to have the sources here. Think like a real project. Don't think like a demo हो जाएगा बस हमारा काम हो गया. ऐसा नहीं. You have to write full process here in this project. Okay. Then, because you are working as a solution designer in this project, not only ADF developer, ETL developer or ADF developer, Azure Data Factory developers are there. Okay. So here what you need it for number one, I need a plan for test data. This is one required from this activity. Okay. Then data transformation activity C. Balance sheeting by fraudsters. Define transformation logic to calculate the difference between the legitimate and the fraudulent transactions. Use ADF's data flow feature to create transformation pipelines that can handle large data sets efficiently. Okay. Now, I need your this is one I require it. Okay. It means one task I have given to ChatGPT. I mean this Copilot. Another task, this one. Card blockage updates. Implement rules to flag cards with suspicious activity based on predefined thresholds. Create transaction steps to update card status in real time, ensuring timely. Okay. Give me the rules to okay. Then data load. Okay. What is time now? 8:15, right? So what we'll do, Rahul, it is time is up. These things I'm thinking the thoughts. In the meanwhile, you also think and come back for tomorrow's session. You note down this point, what I have written in this one, in this. Tomorrow we are going to pull all these activities and we are going to move forward with another setup also. Let us discuss for 2-3 days this discussion in the early hours. Then we can get some idea for solution design presentation on these activities.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Right. So you can stop recording.